it's a high wind warning.
For the following areas in Connecticut: southern Fairfield, southern New Haven, southern Middlesex and southern New London, and in New Jersey, Hudson, and the following areas in New York: southern Westchester, Manhattan, Bronx, Staten Island, Brooklyn, northwest Suffolk, southwest Suffolk, northern Queens, northern Nassau, southern Queens, southern Nassau, northeast Suffolk and southeast Suffolk. High wind warning in effect from 2 p.m. Wednesday to 4 a.m. Thursday. The National Weather Service in Upton has issued a high wind warning, which is in effect from 2 p.m. Wednesday to 4 a.m. Thursday. Locations: New York City, Long Island, coastal Connecticut, Hudson County, and southern Westchester County. Hazards: damaging winds. Winds north 25 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour. Timing: Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday night. Impacts: winds of this magnitude will be capable of reducing down trees and power lines, as well as minor property damage. A high wind warning means a hazardous high wind event is expected or occurring. Sustained wind speeds of at least 40 miles per hour or gusts of 58 miles per hour or more can lead to property damage.
Let's hope there's not another one.
Here are the current conditions. As of